If you don't think you have time to cook, think again. Here's a grilled chicken recipe that's fast, easy, and delicious. Let's get started. First, grab 2 chicken breasts and coat them with olive oil. Now, season generously with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of paprika for that smoky flavor. Heat up your grill to medium-high. Place the chicken on the grill and cook for 6-7 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While grilling, brush on some of your favorite barbecue sauce for extra flavor. Look at those beautiful grill marks. Once they're done, let the chicken rest for a few minutes to lock in the juices. And voila! Juicy, flavorful grilled chicken in no time. Serve it up with your favorite sides and enjoy. Happy grilling! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes. See you next time.